What is going on, everybody? This is the perfect video for anyone who wants to understand what in the world is going on very quickly. People are taking profits, but also accumulation is happening because April is around the corner. And I think some people say, well, it's obviously the halving, maybe some corrections, right? Makes total sense. But what if this is a different bull market and we continue pumping, which I've told you in videos past? The reasons why that could happen. And I have examples three: Shiba Inu, WIF, and bread. These three tokens are one, everybody knows it, Shiba Inu. Two, everybody's making a lot of money with it, especially on Solana. And three, it is the underdog from base that, way you could see this as, can this really become really huge, right? Because they're super volatile. But an important factor is that whales are watching to whoever is talking about it. In my opinion, we started the live earlier today and we broke the Neo cloud. 1 15 minute, like it was interesting that, I mean, I'm not saying that it was because of the live, but what I'm saying is like in that time during the live stream where a lot of people were watching, were really hyped and excited. How curious is that the price went higher and it was doing really well at 31, but immediately, hours passed, we continued the trend. Now, this is just for you to see how it is human behavior, basically. Obviously, whales are looking at who's talking about Shiba Inu. I'm not the whale master. I'm not even a whale on Shiba Inu, but what I'm saying is they find any opportunity to make money and to see how people will be exciting and buying and selling on them. Because if you bought here thinking that we were going to go higher, now you're seeing this as all way. Now, this is where I started my position and I'm down, right? And I'm holding. And I've told you that my plan is to have my billion Shiba Inu, and that's it. I think that's a great level. But in this interesting dilemma of, well, Bitcoin is just not leaving that 70, that 69. Guess what? We are in a possibility of a nice flush. We are high on wave, we're somewhat high on shib, we are high on bread, and actually it's going lower, which is pretty cool for people who wanted to buy more. I got in with $500 right around here, so knew that if it goes lower, then I can buy more because it's one that has potential. So using money to buy with meme coins and obviously Shiba Inu, that's been extremely steady. We talked about it before, how it's really holding strong under the Neo Cloud here on Loxalgo. First link down below, guys. Go get it if you want the analysis and the indicators, right, that I'm using. So I'm happy to see correlation. In the 15-minute, we're seeing a level that we could be going back. Check this out. Just more TA, just more analysis, just more info. If you're interested, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. It's a good Friday that we're just checking in and talking and looking. But as you see right there, even if we go to the, what do you want? Let's bring this one to the 29. The 29 is going to be a pretty low one for SHIB. That was going to be a hurt, for people like me who bought in at 30. Although I also bought Shiba Inu here for 1 billion and I sold it here, I remember, and I made about 10% profits. It was really good. So I was doing the trading, but now we're kind of changing a little bit. The thing is that if nothing changes for this weekend, if we continue, be prepared for some deals. Hence the accumulation phase, because people are taking profits, people are making money. I see on Twitter, show you, gotta go to Cryptos are us. George, look at this. Good win today on WIF. So people are taking profits, guys. People are selling. People are getting out of the positions at 414. What is the price of WIF right now? 393. It went down because eventually they have to sell, they have to correct, they have to go down, and this is 340, 354. So obviously a nice, and this is what this is today. Guys, this is yesterday, this is today. So literally from today went all the way here. Obviously, you want to take some profits, right? So point one, we can go lower to levels where you will be holding, but because the nice trend that we have in the levels doesn't seem that much of a big um, crash or correction. It's just something healthy. For now, as soon as one of the rates gets cut, federal funds rate, we're forecasting a nice rally for Bitcoin and stocks in general. That's going to help Shiba Inu going better. It's going to help Cronos with and all of these crazy meme coins, right? And look at this one. They're actually continuing to consolidate, to sell off. Cash out my pepe position in time, so I'm really good. Cash out my Ethereum position in time, so I'm really good. For 200 plus profit on pepe, I got him even. Right now, I'm holding my bread that I bought, which, look, guys, I didn't buy bread at 60. I was like, I need some sales, and I got in here at 58 or so. Let me see. Order history. Got bread at 59. Well, I mean, it was 58 on TradingView, but, you know, the average price, 59. So, feel good about it. Only down about, let me go ahead and refresh, about $30, bro. That's why, I mean, that's why it's like chill, right? Don't go super high end right now. I'm holding on my $6,000 plus that it's just there for the opportunities that I might get if we get to that flush level position, which in Shiba is going to be 29. Bitcoin is going to be, take a look at BTC to give it to you guys. Have to find it. Here it is. Bitcoin is going to be back at the 66, 68. You see, this is the 15 minutes. We can go to the 1 hour if it's easier. You see how Bitcoin compared to Shiba Inu, I mean, they're still on that positive neo cloud that's bullish, that's trending, that's growing. But for now, it's, you know, the 68,000, which we rejected here on the 27 just a couple days ago. It is our first support to reject if we go lower and then can continue. Because for the last couple of days, Bitcoin has been holding from the 61 all the way to the 71. So it's been doing decent. So if we could go in the future, that is halving, guys. Roughly, let me move it to the 20th. Roughly in the 20th, that is halving. So what will the price of Bitcoin be? Because if we stay at 70 or we go higher to 75 or so, or maybe a little bit lower, like, do we really expect a massive crash or so to 50 and then go up? Whatever it is, we win. If we go up, we win. If we go sideways, we still can add positions, right? And we still go crash, we're going to be buying because we know what's going on later on. So all the paper hands who sell are going to be just easy money for us as you are getting in crypto, right? There you guys have it, everybody. Just wanted to give you the insights as I'm watching and enjoying myself. I'll see you next time, guys. Accumulation is key. Peace.